Assalamualaikum grade 10. Faiza Nadeem here with your English lessons. I hope all of you are fine. I hope all of you are good. I hope you are all healthy and active. And I hope that all of you have designed your own study schedule and following it religiously. अपना schedule design करो, अपने number of days, number of subjects पे divide करो, number of hours पे divide करो और पढ़ो. पढ़ना is very important. What we are going to do today? Let's find it out. What today's lecture is all about. जी खाली खाली सा बोर्ड है, इसलिए कि हम अभी मिलके इसको फिल करेंगे. ठीक है, हमारा जो टॉपिक है आज का वो रिव्यू 3 का एक आर्ग्यूमेंटेटिव एसे है. स्मोकिंग should be banned on public spaces. ठीक है, आर्ग्यूमेंटेटिव ऐसे वो होता है जिसमें आपको एक आर्ग्यूमेंट पुट अप करना होता है. तो आपने ये आर्ग्यूमेंट पुट अप किया है कि स्मोकिंग हैज बीन बैंड और इट शुड बी बैंड इन पब्लिक स्पेसेस. सबसे पहले जो हम आर्ग्यूमेंट पे करेंगे वो सबसे पहला आर्ग्यूमेंट ये होगा कि जो डेवलप्ड कंट्रीज हैं these have already banned smoking on public places. ठीक है, your developed countries have already banned public smoking in public places. ठीक है, developed countries like USA, Australia and China, they have already banned smoking in the public places. Now this is your first paragraph. In the first paragraph you will speak about what smoking in public places is all about, right? When you are at the bus stop or at the train station or at the airport, you smoke outside, sitting in front of the entire crowd, in front of the entire public, and thus you are causing others to become passive smokers as well. ठीक है, passive smoker की terminology आगे जाके समझाऊंगी. आपने अभी यहाँ पर सिर्फ इतना डिस्क्राइब करना है और ये कहना है कि most of the developed countries have already banned public smoking. They have asked people not to smoke outside, not to smoke on the street and in the bus or in the train or in the airplanes. So they have banned or they have prohibited smoking in the public places. Your second paragraph will deal about whether you think, what is your idea about banning public smoking. You will speak about the hazards, ठीक है, that smoking brings about, the diseases that are caused by the smoking. कौन से diseases है? लंग कैंसर है, माउथ कैंसर है, ट्यूबरक्लोसिस है, माउथ की ट्यूबरक्लोसिस कॉज होती है स्मोकिंग से. So these are all the diseases that are actually caused because of smoking. And there is a very big issue which is the passive smoking. What is passive smoking? Is when you are not the smoker yourself, but you are sitting next to a person who is smoking. ठीक है, और वो जो exhale करता है smoke, वो जो exhale करता है अपने मुंह से सारा धुआं, when you are inhaling the smoke that has been exhaled by a smoker, you are actually inhaling all the nicotine. ठीक है, you are actually inhaling all the nicotine and thus you become a passive smoker. We all know that cigarettes are made up of nicotines, and nicotines or narcotics are very dangerous elements as far as our health is concerned. So we should not only not smoke publicly, but we should also need to stop others from smoking. ठीक है, these are all the problems that can be caused because of smoking. These are all the issues that can be caused because of smoking. Passive smoking, you become a victim of passive smoking if you are letting others smoke outside. And then the third paragraph you will speak about that since smoking is causing all this problem, all these problems, all these issues, so they should be banned publicly, as the smokers themselves are aware. They are aware of the issues or the mental or the physical sickness that are caused by the smoke, but they keep their eyes closed to these issues. Since they keep their eyes closed to these issues and they have chosen to hide behind the curtain of smoke, let it be their choice, not ours. Let it be their choice, not ours. If they want to hide behind the curtain of smoke, if they want to keep on smoking, if they want to harm their health, ठीक है, put them in the risk of getting cancers, then let it be their choice, because it's mentioned on the packet of every cigarette that smoking is injurious to health. So they buy this thing, they buy the sickness, the diseases by spending money, and they are completely aware of the side effects of the problems that are being caused by the smoking. So let them live their own life, but then we as a customer, as a consumer, as the residents of that specific country should not be put into jeopardy, should not be put into problem, should not be made to stand in front of the diseases, in front of the problems by letting the smokers smoke openly out in the public places. Right? So all these points can be a part of your argumentative essay. Smoking should be banned in public spaces. These essays, they come like you have a choice. They come in the exam, right? You have a choice. You can either attempt these essays or you can write a story or I think a paragraph. But then they are carrying 15 marks. So be very precise, be very clear and be very detailed when you are writing the essay. This was the first topic for the day, and the next topic is letter writing. Let's move on to the letter writing. Letter writing. Your topic is write a letter to the editor on cell phone addiction among teenagers. Alright, letter writing का format होता है और उस format की 30% weightage होती है final exam में. तो आपने इस 30% weightage को हासिल करने के लिए इस format को completely, thoroughly और मेटिकुलसली लिखना है ताकि आपका कोई भी मार्क लूज ना हो. सबसे पहले आप अपना एड्रेस लिखते हैं, एग्जामिनेशन हॉल, कॉमा, एंड देन सिटी ABC, फुल स्टॉप, between A, B and C. Make sure that this is present, and then date. I have put the date in parentheses or in the brackets because I want you to write any date that you want to write about. ठीक है? It can be today, it can be yesterday, it can be the coming years or it can be the years backward. So date should be a tentative idea, your own imagination. But then keep this in your mind that they should be hypothetical. कोई imaginary ऐसे ना हो कि आप 14th month की 72 day लिखें या mention करें. ठीक है? अच्छा, उसके बाद आपने एक लाइन छोड़नी है. एक लाइन छोड़ के आपने जिसको एड्रेस किया है, जो आपका एड्रेसी है, उसका एड्रेस लिखते हैं. उसका एड्रेस है द एडिटर, कॉमा, द डॉन. सबसे फेमस न्यूज़पेपर है इसलिए हमने द डॉन पिक किया. यू कैन राइट अबाउट द न्यूज़, यू कैन राइट नवाई वर्क, यू कैन राइट एनी न्यूज़पेपर दैट यू थिंक अबाउट, एंड देन द कॉमा. ठीक है? यू कैन राइट जंग एज वेल. आई डोंट वांट टू प्रमोट एनीबडी. एंड देन द सिटी, लाहौर. उसके बाद आपने एक लाइन छोड़ के सर लिखना है. सर लिख के जब आप अपना लेटर शुरू करेंगे, इट्स अ फॉर्मल लेटर, ये इनफॉर्मल लेटर नहीं है. फॉर्मल लेटर्स में जिस वक्त हम सैल्यूटेशंस करते हैं उस वक्त हम हरगिज़ किसी के ख़ानदान, किसी की फैमिली, बीवी, बच्चे, किसी का हाल नहीं पूछते. डायरेक्ट हम पॉइंट पे आते हैं, डायरेक्ट हम मुद्दे पे आते हैं, हम जो बात करना चाहते हैं हम डायरेक्ट उस बात पे आते हैं, ठीक है। हमने डायरेक्ट उनको सर लिखा, ना हमने डियर लिखा, ना हमने ये पूछा हाउ आर यू, हाउ इज योर लाइफ गोइंग, हाउ आर योर चिल्ड्रन, हाउ इज योर वाइफ। नो, वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू डू दैट बिकॉज इट्स अ फॉर्मल लेटर, ठीक है। आपने डायरेक्ट बात जो कहना चाह रहे हैं वहीं से शुरू की। थ्रू योर esteemed paper, I want to draw the attention of higher authorities as well as masses towards the grave problem, towards the grave problem of using excessive usage of mobile phones. So mobile phones usage has become very excessive. It has become a nuisance because students use mobile during the classes and thus they pay less attention towards their academics and they are unaware of generally what's happening in the classroom, and thus they miss the lessons and their comprehension becomes weak. If we are going to have these sort of professionals, how are we going to have a solid future for our country? Not only in the classrooms but at public places, teenagers are seen using the mobile everywhere, alright, and thus they have become unaware of the real world and have been engrossed in the virtual world. This is causing health issues. Confidence problem, because when you are not outside, when you are inside, you are lacking confidence. You have a small world in your hands and you are living in that small world and you are unaware of what is happening outside. So you lack confidence. You become introvert and thus they are becoming introvert. What sort of professions, what sort of future are we going to have if the students will keep on using mobile phones everywhere, if they are going to have mobile phones in their hands everywhere in the world, everywhere outside in the country? After writing this, your next paragraph will be, with this letter, I hope that the concerned authorities with this letter the concerned authorities will regulate our law, will enforce a law which will ask the teenagers to stop the excessive usage of the mobile phones, right? This should be the last line of your letter. With that, you will leave a line, you will write yours truly with a comma and XYZ full stops. Make sure that you have followed the format properly, because the format is basically containing or having 30% weightage. 20% weightage is that of your sentence structure, punctuation, grammar, and 50% weightage is your content. Content हमने completely thoroughly इसके अंदर mention कर दिया, कोई चीज हमने miss नहीं की. Helping words are on the board. I hope that you will write the letter because we need to be seriously prepared for our final exams. Quickly recapitulate the lesson. We did the argumentative essay on smoking should be banned on public places, and we did a letter writing. Inshallah, see you next time. By that time, take care of yourself, be healthy, be happy, be safe, keep on studying. Allah Hafiz.